Why Tory Lanez might be innocent in the felony assault case involving Megan Thee Stallion. So, as you all may know, multiple news outlets have reported this ongoing case involving these two for the shooting that occurred recently. The rapper, real name Daster Peterson, is accused of shooting Megan several times at her feet and hurting her in the process allegedly. According to the Los Angeles County District Attorney's Office, it happened after the pair got into an argument whilst riding in and out in the Hollywood Hills on the 12th of July. Tory Lanez, who's 28, is also charged with carrying a loaded, unregistered firearm in a vehicle. If convicted, the Canadian artist faces up to 23 years in prison. He's denied the charges, but only in music he's released since the incident. Court hearings will begin on October 13th at the Folks Criminal Justice Center in Los Angeles. Now, you are all probably wondering why I'm making this video, if the title wasn't so obvious already, but by breaking down the information released already to the public, this case could go a different approach. Note, this is purely my opinion, and should be taken with a grain of salt, and it's only created for debate/group thinking on what could happen in the future, and not the obvious verdict if found guilty. Comment below. I'm not taking sides, so either fans watching this video just know my intention is to not be biased, so let's begin. On Instagram Live, Megan alleged that fellow rapper Tory Lanez shot her after she tried to leave the car they were in following an argument. This is the clip where she tells the world about the incident.
Tell my business to the motherfucking internet. Let me go run and tell my business to the police. Like, you know what I'm saying? I ain't never been that type of person. Like, but I'm not gonna let y'all keep playing in my face. And I'm not gonna let this nigga keep playing in my face either. So, since y'all hoes so worried about it, yes, this nigga Tory shot me. You shot me. And you got your publicists and your people going to these blogs lying and shit. Stop lying. Why lie? I don't understand. I tried to keep the situation off the internet, but you dragging it. You really fucking dragging it.
On his new album Daster, released today, Lanez raps "I ain't do it" and alleges Megan's people trying to frame me for a shooting. Megan has not responded to the allegation as of yet. Now, it is possible her camp/label have told her to not make any public responses for various reasons, but I guess we will see how this unfolds. Reports in the immediate aftermath of the incident stated that Megan Thee Stallion had cut her foot on broken glass, but she made a statement 3 days later saying, "I suffered gunshot wounds as a result of a crime that was committed against me and done with the intention to physically harm me." She also posted and later deleted a graphic image of her foot during surgery, writing, "I got hit at the back of my feet. Why would I lie about getting shot?" Before it was known that she was shot, she initially blamed the injury on broken glass because she was scared of the police following high-profile incidents of brutality against black people. In addition, she quote-unquote says, "The police come, I'm scared. Police was literally killing black people for no reason. The police is really aggressive. You think I'm about to tell the police that us black people got a gun in the car?" So with some of this information laid out, this is the part where I express how I feel from both parties on how all of this spiraled out of control, meaning I'm about to lay out some of the defenses that can be used in the court of law. Again, I'm not a lawyer or trained to talk about law, but that doesn't mean I can't give an opinion on this matter, as it is just a debate. No one has to agree to what I'm saying, and I pretty much made it clear from the start. Please think before you comment something down below. Megan says that there had been an argument in the car between the 4 occupants that were present. She says that she got done arguing and decided to walk away from the situation, and as she was walking away she gets shot in her feet. To counter this claim, on his new album, Lanez questions her account, rapping on money over fallouts. How the fuck you get shot in your foot? Don't hit no bones or tendons? Medical records stated that shrapnel was removed from her left heel. That was an interesting question, and here's why. I did some research about how the foot and its bones were structured, and apparently there's a lot of bones in the foot, 26 to be exact, with all of the attending muscles and tendons. If the bullet did minimal damage to bone, it's likely the recovery might be as short as 6 weeks. If repair or replacement of bone is required, it would take much longer. Days after the shooting and surgery, Megan posted a video of herself twerking on a yacht, which is now deleted, and my question is how was she able to do that with the information I provided on the recovery process of the shooting? If that is not a quick recovery, then I don't know what is. Anyway, here's the clip. Even if you would argue she only got grazed, she would still need recovery. So when Megan said that as she was walking away she got shot by Tory Lanez, the problem with that argument is how does she know it was specifically him that shot her when her back was turned? Not to mention on how she told the police that her foot was cut by glass, but then changed the narrative days later. Seems very inconsistent and the law would find that untrustworthy. I personally don't think he intended to shoot her, and it's likely was shot by mistake. Maybe he was wrestling the gun with someone in the car, which means the gun shot and the bullet ricochet causing the grazing of her feet. If Tory needed to harm Megan, then why would she return to the car if she felt her life was in danger? This is in correlation to her Instagram post. If your life was in danger and someone was trying to kill you, you run the other way for safety, as that's how instincts would most likely work. The people in the car know exactly what happened and no one wants to talk. It's also interesting Megan and the woman in the car, close friend presumably, unfollowed each other days later. Could this have been a love triangle? Who knows? Depending on how well this video does, I will make another one detailing more information on how Megan will most likely not testify against Tory, because in the world of hip hop that's a big no-no. No one wants to be labeled as a snitch, especially if you're a rapper. I hope you enjoy the video. Like, share, and subscribe and all that good stuff, or else you might get bad luck today.